I see first class. Where's 42? That side. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Right. We are inside the plane, guys. This will go the whole night. Whole night. Yep. This is the toilet. Right, good morning, guys. Good morning. Yay! Today we are getting a bigger nose. Big nose. Yeah, you see now, I'm in Rome now. We left Milan this morning. I'm in Rome now. We're waiting for our train. Our train will be around at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. What time is it now? 2 o'clock. Yeah, 2 o'clock. So our train will be. Let me see inside. That's how it looks inside. Luxury. Nice. Yeah, no. Hey, the station is too big, guys. It's like the airport. Yeah. So now, guys, we are moving now. We are cruising now. We're just going out of the port. We are leaving. The cruise ship is moving now. You can see there, guys. The cruise ship is now moving. As you can see there, we are moving. We're going out from here. We're going from Civitavecchia in Italy. People are just enjoying themselves. You can see people there. There are people on the other cabins, on the other rooms. These are all balconies. We are moving out from Italy. We are going to Spain. We're going to be cruising the whole night. The whole night. We'll be arriving tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the morning. We are going to arrive in Ibiza in Spain. So we are now moving. See now, this is a jacuzzi later on. Now this is now dinner time, guys. Dinner time. We are now eating dinner. We're now eating dinner. Dinner time. Eating dinner now. Yeah. My boy's got some potatoes there. This is my boy's food. Put it separate, boy.
The thing is,
this is my daughter's food.
A place to sit.
That's mine. Right, that's where I'm eating. What I'm eating. I'm eating. Right, mommy's eating what? What are you eating, man? Soup. Yeah, but it's okay. It's nice.
Since yesterday, I noticed that their soups
are
nice.
Nice. Yeah, very nice. Here, guys, I'm gonna spoil myself. God brought me into this earth to do what? To enjoy my life, and I'm enjoying it. Yeah. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. I was talking to Putin, and he just want to show you guys. We are in the middle of the sea. You don't have any hope of seeing a building or a mountain. No hope, nothing. We're in the middle of the sea. Middle. As you can see, people woke up in the morning, they are just sitting on their chairs. Yeah, guys, this is MSC Seashore. It's a wonderful cruise ship. Beautiful cruise ship, guys. Beautiful cruise ship. Look how beautiful this thing is, guys. Beautiful. This is just underground where people are actually enjoying themselves. Thank you. Yeah, so you see now, we're taking one shot with the cruise and the lady here. Wonderful. Coming. That's nice. They're going up on this beautiful staircase. Beautiful staircase. Yeah, so now, guys, we are moving now. We are cruising now. We're just going out of the port. We are leaving. The cruise ship is moving now. You can see there, guys. The cruise ship is Yeah, the cruise ship is now moving. As you can see there, we are moving, we are moving, we are moving. We're going out from here. We're going from Civitavecchia in Italy. People are just enjoying themselves. You can see people there. There are people on the other cabins, on the other rooms. These are all balconies. There now. We are moving out from Italy. We are going to Spain. We're going to be cruising the whole night. The whole night. We'll be arriving tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the morning. We are going to arrive in Ibiza in Spain. So we are now moving. See now, this is a jacuzzi later on. Right, good morning guys, good morning. We've just arrived in Ibiza. This is Ibiza in Spain. In Spain, these are all ships that transport people, transport cars. Yeah, now this is the beauty. Beauty. Guys, now we are moving now. We are moving. The cruise ship is leaving. We are now going to Italy, to Spain. We'll be arriving tomorrow. So we're cruising the whole night. The whole night we are cruising. It's leaving. You can see that it's moving now, right? Let me just put it this way so you guys can see it's moving. You can see nicely. All right. All right, now guys, we just left Palermo. As you can see, the ship is moving. We just left Palermo. The ship is moving. Let me just sit nicely so you guys can see nicely. The ship is moving, guys. Yeah, the ship is moving. We left Palermo. Ship is moving. It's moving. We are now heading. Actually, we are going to be sailing the whole night, the whole day, and the whole night tomorrow. Yeah, so we left now at 6 o'clock. We left Palermo, right? We are going to sail the whole night, the whole day, and then the whole night tomorrow. And we'll arrive day after tomorrow in Ibiza. It's a long journey. All right. So from where we are now, we are leaving. We are going to, and on here, guys, you see here, it's all lifts. Lifts are going up and down, These are lifts. Yeah, like I was saying to you guys, it's a pity the video got cut off so quickly. This is the end of the ship. Everyone is just enjoying themselves. It's so nice, wonderful experience. There is the bar. People are really enjoying themselves.